Jai Shri Ram. Welcome everyone. Today we are about to dive into timeless epic of courage, devotion and righteousness, the Ramayana. Do you think you know Lord Ram's life, his family, his alliances and even his greatest battles? Well, get ready because 10 powerful questions are coming on your way and I bet 90% of people can't answer them all correctly. Are you ready to test your knowledge? So let's get started. Question number 1. Who composed Ramayana? A. Maharishi Valmiki, B. Ved Vyas, C. Ban Bhatt, D. Kalidas. Your time starts now. Maharishi Valmiki. The Ramayana was composed by Maharishi Valmiki, who was considered first poet Adi Kavi. It was an epic based on the life of Lord Ram. Question number 2. What was name of Lord Ram's father? A. Janak, B. Dashrath, C. Bhishma, D. Shantanu. Your time starts now. King Dashrath was ruler of Ayodhya and father of Lord Ram. He was known as a just and righteousness king of solar dynasty. He had 3 wives, Kaushalya, Kekai, Sumitra, though he wished Ram to be his higher, but Ram had to go into exile due to Kekai's boon. Question number 3. What was name of Sita's father? A. Dashrath, B. Vashisht, C. Janak, D. Vishwamitra. The time starts now. Was Sita's father. He is regarded as a great and righteousness ruler of Veda. What was the name of Lord Ram's birth mother? A. Kekai, B. Sumitra, C. Gandhari, D. Kaushalya. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is D. Kaushalya. Kaushalya of the princess of Kosal kingdom was wife of King Dashrath. She was considered as an incarnation of goddess Aditi. She was born in Chandrakuri village, present-day Raipur district of Chhattisgarh, where a famous temple is located. Question number 5. For how many years Lord Ram exiled? A. 10 years, B. 14 years, C. 12 years, D. 16 years. Your time starts now. Is 14 years. Due to Kekai's boon, Lord Ram was exiled for 14 years. He accepted exile in obedience to his father to uphold dharma. Question number 6. Who abducted Sita ji? A. Ravan, B. Bali, C. Meghnad, D. Kumbhakarna. The time starts now. And the correct answer is Ravan. King Ravan of Lanka abducted Sita ji, but this event led to the great battle between Ram and Ravan. Number 7. Who built the bridge to Lanka? A. Hanuman, B. Sugriv, C. Vibhishan, D. Nal and Neel. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is D. Nal and Neel. Nal and Neel, with the help of Vanar army, built a bridge over the sea. Through this bridge, Lord Ram's army reached Lanka. Whose son was Hanumanji? A. Indra, B. Varun, C. Pavandev, D. Agnidev. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is C. Pavandev. Hanumanji He is called Pavan Putra because he was son of Pavan Dev. He is famous for his strength, devotion and courage. Question number 9. What was the main message of Ramayana? A. Victory of Dharma and truth. B. Display of power. C. Importance of wealth. D. Importance of war. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Victory of Dharma and truth. The Ramayana teaches that ultimately Dharma, righteousness, truth and prevail. It also guides us on ideal living, duty and morality. Question number 10 and the last question of our quiz. Who was Ravan's brother that supported Ram? A. Abhiravan, B. Kumbhakarna, C. Meghnad, D. Vibhishan. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option D. Vibhishan.
Vibhishan opposed unrighteousness and supported Ram. For this, Lord Ram made him the king of Lanka.
Wow, that was an incredible journey through Ramayana. Whether you scored full marks or just learned something new, remember, Ramayana isn't just a story, it is a lesson in truth, courage and dharma. So carry the wisdom of Ram, Sita, Hanuman and all the heroes in your life and always remember, dharma and truth always triumph in the end. Thank you for participating and may your own life be as heroic as this righteousness as this epic